So with this leg press, there's a couple modifications you can do to start biasing certain muscle groups. So the first area that you can alter is the seat. As you can see, you can have it a little bit more upright and a little bit more lean back. So the little bit more lean back will allow for less hip flexion, which will mean you will bias the quads a little bit more. Whilst when you have it a little bit more upright, when you're coming down into the rep, there'll be a little bit more hip flexion, and therefore you'll get your glutes into a little bit more of a lengthened range. The second area that we can alter this is through foot placement. So we're going to get Vivek back into the seat. We're going to keep it a little bit upright so you can see the difference as well. So if he has his feet quite high on the platform here, lift that up and go into the bottom of the rep. As you can see here, there's a huge amount of hip flexion here, which is going to really stretch out the glutes, but not as much knee flexion. So it's going to make it a little bit less quad dominant in that regard. If he comes up, puts his feet a little bit lower. Yeah, just all the way to the bottom. So then you can see when this comes down, now, so into the bottom of the rep, in the same amount of range, there's much more knee flexion here and a little bit less hip flexion. So you can see now that this is a little bit more quad dominant. And up. So as you can see, depending on the machine, you can make these little modifications to bias different muscle groups that you want to target.